Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we will show you how to register a new Exness account with a personal area and how to open new trading accounts. To begin, visit Exness.com and complete the fields in the New Account tab on the home page. Enter your country of residence, email and password. Your password must contain 8 to 15 characters, including numbers and lower and uppercase English letters. You will use this email and password to access your personal area from the web or the MetaTrader app. Click Continue and you will be taken to your personal area. You will find a Real MT5 account and a Demo MT5 account in the My Accounts area under the appropriate tab. Now let's look at how to create more trading accounts in your new personal area. Select Open New Account from the My Accounts area. Choose an account type from our selection of Standard and Professional accounts. Then click Open Real Account for a Real account, or Try Demo for a Demo account. On the next page, you can again set your account type to Real or Demo and choose your preferred trading terminal, either MT4 or MT5. Now choose your preferred max leverage setting and account currency, keeping in mind you cannot change the account currency later. Finally, choose a nickname for this account and set its password, known as a trading password. When these are complete, tap Create an Account. That's it. Your new account will appear in the My Accounts area under the Real or Demo tab, depending on which you created. Thank you for choosing Exness. Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we are going to show you how to fully verify your Exness profile with desktop browsers. To begin, log into your personal area on our website. Click Become a Real Trader to begin verifying your profile. First, verify your email address by clicking Send me a code. Then enter the code and click Continue. Next, verify your phone number by entering it. Then select whether you'd like an SMS or call and click Send me a code. Enter the code and click Continue to complete verifying your phone number. Now enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and address. Click Continue to complete this step. You'll be greeted with a confirmation message that you can now deposit funds. You can click Deposit Now to deposit funds, or click Complete Verification to complete verifying your profile. If you choose to deposit, you can go back to account verification later by clicking on the Complete Verification icon on the home page. The next stage of verifying your Exness profile is completing the economic profile. The economic profile is merely a survey of your trading experience, but is required to unlock all the features of a fully verified trading account. Click Continue once this form is filled out. Before you proceed to submit your identity and address documents, you will be asked to check your name as entered during registration. It is important that the name on the account matches the documents submitted and also the name on any payment accounts used in the future for deposits and withdrawals. Make necessary edits and click Upload Documents. Now it is time to submit your proof of identity document. First, select the country of issue for the identity document and the type of document you wish to submit. Depending on the type of document selected, instructions and requirements will be shown below. For the best chance at success, do follow the handy do's and don'ts listed here. Click Upload the document and find your digital copy to attach. Once attached, click Confirm and proceed to submit your identity documentation. Finally, it is time to submit your proof of residence documents. Please comply with the requirements and instructions shown when choosing which document to submit. Click Upload Proof of Residence document and then Submit document to confirm. Congratulations! Your account status will be updated automatically to fully verified once your documents are successfully reviewed. Thank you for choosing Exness. Welcome to Exness Trading. Today we are going to show you how to download, log in, and configure the MT5 app. To begin, go to the Exness website and tap on Platforms. Select MetaTrader Mobile and scroll down to find the MT5 banner. Clicking on the banner will take you to the App Store to download the application. Once you have downloaded the app, to log in, tap Settings. Choose New Account and search for Exness in Brokers. Tap on Exness Technologies Limited. Log in using your MT5 account number, trading password, and select the server from the drop-down menu. Hit Save Password if you would like to save your login details on this device. Tap here. Let us now explore the MT5 mobile terminal. The Quotes tab shows a list of currency pairs for you to trade on. To add a symbol, tap here and choose from the available groups. Tap plus to add a symbol to the list. To delete, tap the pencil icon and choose all the currency pairs you would like to remove. Then hit the bin icon. You can also tap here to view the quotes in a simple bid-ask format. The Charts tab can display only one chart at a time. To change, tap the drop-down menu. The shortcut icons here give you quick access to adding a crosshair, indicators, and objects. You can also tap anywhere on the chart to set up indicators, objects, or alter chart settings. Trade tab shows your account details, like balance, equity, and free margin. You can also view your currently open trades. History contains details of all closed trades and deposit withdrawal transactions.